are going to learn a new topic, data frames. Data frames, what are the data frames? Data frame is a structure, data structure which can work on 2D. As before that we have learned series. What was the drawback of series? Series cannot work on 2D. Series can work on 1D only. Now in this we are going to learn data frame. Data frame is a data structure which help us to create or work on 2D. So let's see, it starts with import pandas as PD. So for this we need pandas. Then we will create a list. Suppose I have created a list with A is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Suppose I have taken, as you know, list is created by using square brackets. After that I take one more variable to create a data frame. We'll write PD dot. Remember, when we write data frame, D should be in capital and F should also be in capital. As in series we keep S in capital, in the same way here also we put in capitals D and frame. Then on which we are going to apply data frame? On A, because A is a list which we have created. After that just print B, because this value is assigned to B. Now see, when we will run it, I have saved this program df1. See, now its output. What is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? This is called index value. As we have already learned in series, by default index values always starts from 0 and assign numbers. And this is a column 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Because data frame is 2D, so it works on rows and columns. Now we are going to do one more program in which we'll create more rows and columns. And we will also learn how we can define the column names. So I will write import pandas as PD. A is equal to first we create a list. Suppose I have written Shreya, put in quotes because this is a string. Age is 20, close the bracket. Then new is suppose Kavya, comma, put his age is 30, comma, suppose I am going to take Srishti, comma, 20, close the bracket. Now take one more variable, B is equal to PD dot data frame, F should be in capital. Then write the name of a variable. What name we will take? Because we are going to work on this list. So I will put here A. A is the name of a list. Then we will use a keyword columns. Columns keyword help us to define the name for a column. Okay. So you put is equal to square bracket. For first column, suppose I have taken the name, comma, age. And for the second column, age. And then close the round bracket. Now we print it. Print B. Okay, so you have seen I have taken one list, name A, and I have here created two columns, one for name, one for column, and B is one for age. B is equal to PT data frame. A is a name of a list on which we are going to work. Columns is a key